Hello guys, this is Ganna and welcome to my YouTube channel. Right now I'm touring on my new Bajaj Dominar 2019 edition. Today I'm traveling to Chikmagalur from Mangalore. Right now I am on Mangalore highway. After BC road I have to take a left which connects to Charmadi Ghat. So I'm gonna vlogging next 2 days from Chikmagalur. I'm gonna explore the places there. I'm gonna show it to you guys. So stay tuned guys. So guys, I have reached BC road now. From here I have to take left which will connect to Charmadi Ghat. If I go straight, it will go to Bangalore. So let me take a left. The time is 10:30 AM. That's why there are so many traffics. From here it is a 2-lane road till Charmadi Ghat. So the road is boring, so see you in the next update. The time is 11:30 and the weather is too hot. We are sweating inside the jacket. We had so many traffic, so it took us so long to cross Ujire. Now we are heading towards Charmadi Ghat. So we will continue there. So we have reached Charmadi Ghat now. This is how the ghat looks. So this is the viewpoint of Charmadi. This is how it looks. So we stopped at the Charmadi Ghat viewpoint and took a couple of pictures. We'll be posting that in Instagram soon. Now we are heading towards Mudigere. We'll have some food there because we had light food in the morning. So till then. Okay guys, so we have reached Chikmagalur. Now we are on the way to our hotel room. It's so hot over here and too much traffic. Journey was good. It was pleasing. At least the weather here is a little bit cooler than Mangalore weather. Okay, we have reached our room. Hello guys, so now the time is 4:30 p.m. and now we are headed towards Halebeedu and Belur. We got to our room by 2:30 p.m. Then we got a little fresh and took some rest. So now we left from the room. So let's continue this on the location. So guys, right now I'm at Kalyani water tank. It is an ancient water tank